Hey guys, welcome back. Myron here with Tri-Cities Detail. Hey, if you are new to our channel, welcome. Make sure you hit that subscribe and the bell notification so you can see more of our videos in the future. So what we're going to do on this Maserati is a two-step paint correction to address the spider webbing and swirls. Now this customer's getting ready to sell the vehicle, so we're not looking for 100% perfection, but we want this to look a lot better than what it came in. You're going to see under the lights when we do the paint correction on there just how swirled up this paint was, but we did a big transformation on this vehicle. The customer was happy and they sold it very quickly.
So I was going to make a joke on how hammered this paint is, but I feel like I already nailed it. This Maserati has been through the car wash way too many times. As you can see, the paint is all swirled up on this spider webbing. We're going to take care of that service with our paint correction. The team's going to start a two-step paint correction on this Maserati to remove 90+% of the defects on this paint and to get some gloss back into this paint. Our headlight restoration service not only adds better appearance to the vehicle, but it's also going to improve visibility at night while driving. We did some wet sanding on the trunk, tips to bring some shine back into these dulled out tips. After removing some of the heavier scratches on the side quarter panels and the paint correction's done, after the paint correction on this vehicle, removing 90+% of the defects, it looks like night and day now. Look at this.
Thanks for watching the video. Make sure to like it and stay tuned for more. See you guys.